Today I am Roblox. Yes, what was this strange app? We're playing Web3 Grandma's Estate Obby. We're a special destiny, but we're playing together. Okay, what should we just do? Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna add some funny fightings in this video. You can't believe this video. Okay. Should we move this? Should we move this? Okay, we just move this. Move them down there. Yeah, so we can see the best view. Hi. In fifth, Florida. We're not going to join this game today. We're going to join. Can you see us? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Grandma Estate Bobby. Loading server. Oh, wow. I can't wait for this. What we say? I think we need to do a half because you didn't play with us. Okay. Yay, we didn't play with us. Wait. Are we good? Yes! Hack minus. No baby. Grandma has lost her mind. Let's find a way out. Okay. Cat. I don't like cat. Oh, we have a dog. Safe to avoid the pins. Wait. It's fading. That's fading. Yeah, let me just change it. Longer to us. What? What are you doing? It was just recorded. Call this for 50. Oh, there's a cat! I'll do it. Okay, I will do it. I will do it for the. Uh-oh. I did that video. Yeah, it was a broken pipe, but now. But we're bored. So... No! Wait. No, go. Wait for me, William. Wait. Oh. No! Oh, God. This is my last chance. Oh, no. I never ever played this game yet. Hey, come on in. What is this? Go. It's a maze. No, I hate mazes. It's easy. Force disgrace. I'll show you. Keep up, William. Keep up. Keep up. Through the vents. I think we have to do half today because you only record this for. What? They want in the front. Yeah. There. If you do live streams, it will be longer. We can do those. Wait, where's... follow. Where is it? Oh, yeah, I lost you. Well, where's the way? This way? No. Why don't you try? Okay. We play it. Boys found it. Grandma's. Stage 4, Grandma's. Green bit. You died, you touched it. Puerto Rican, though. I'm not allowed to chat in Roblox, you know. I know. No, he died! No, he died! No, I can't. Hang on, I'll be back. Shut the door. Okay, bye.